In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the voice typing feature in Google Docs. This is a fantastic tool that can help enhance your productivity, whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone who finds typing to be a bit tedious or simply wants to give their hands a break. You'll see just how easy it is to dictate your thoughts and convert them to text in no time. First things first, you'll need to have your Google Docs document open in Google Chrome. Google Docs, as you may know, is a popular word processing tool available within Google's suite of apps. It's accessible directly through your web browser, and since we're leveraging voice typing, it's important to use Google Chrome as this feature is optimized for it. Once your document is open and ready, take a look at the top menu bar. Among the options, you'll find Tools. Go ahead and click on Tools. This menu has a bunch of handy features, but today we're focusing on one that can save you considerable time. As you click on Tools, you'll notice an option called Voice Typing. Select it, and when you do, you'll see a microphone icon pop up on the left side of your document. This is your gateway to hands-free typing. The icon is easy to spot and user-friendly. When you're ready to start dictating, simply click on the microphone icon. This will activate the voice typing feature. Begin speaking clearly into your device's microphone. As you talk, you'll see your words appear on the screen like magic. For instance, if you say, "Today is a beautiful day," those exact words will pop up on your document. This is particularly useful for drafting your ideas quickly or when your hands are simply too weary to type. When you're finished speaking, or if you need to pause for any reason, click on the microphone icon again to stop the voice typing. This ensures that your document stays structured and precise without any extra unwanted text. And that's it. You've successfully used Google Docs' voice typing feature. This tool can really change the way you work, making the writing process much more accessible and efficient. Whether you're dictating ideas for a project, composing a letter, or jotting down your thoughts, voice typing can be an incredible asset. Remember to speak clearly and at a moderate pace for the best results. Thanks for tuning in, and happy typing!